how to create a video in PowerPoint. So you can use this for your YouTube channel. And on top of that, why you should record your presentation. Now, from my own experience, I used to create a lot of presentations for work, school, and for many other reasons. Presentations are good. It's actually a good idea to start recording your presentations, not only for the fact that you are it is more flexible, because then you can this provides you the ability to share your video, because then now you can save the video with somebody. You can upload it on your social media. But on top of that, if you record your video and try to present, this can help you, this can train you to get better at presenting PowerPoint, or just presenting presentations in general, because while you're recording, you can start presenting it. You can start, and now this exercise can help you a lot. And now let's actually create a presentation very fast, and then I'm going to show you how to record. So here I have Chat GPT PowerPoint AI. I'm going to click on this. Now here I'm going to write love pasta. Now here I'm going to write 3 slides. Now probably just, I don't want you to wait too much, but just for the reason why I'm going to write here, why I'm writing 3. But obviously for a long presentation I need more than 3. Create presentation, create slides, and that's only going to take a couple of minutes, not too long. So, and while this is generating the presentation, I just want to let you know, if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe for more videos, for more tutorials. I'm doing tutorials on many other things that I'm interested in learning. So yeah, now we can have click on designer here, and this is going to help us to design our presentation really fast. So I'm going to go with this one, looks really nice. The second one, I'm going to select this design, and the first one, I'm actually gonna use this one. All right, and now to start our presentation, we have to click on the slideshow, and here we have the record button, the record, and we can select here record from current slide. So I'm gonna click. So now let's click on record from current slide, and here you should see your webcam. Now my webcam is actually turned off. And here you also have the option turn camera off if you want to turn the camera off. But as I said, my camera is actually here, but it's just like I have the option on the laptop to hide the webcam. So that's why you can't see the webcam, but it is here. You just have to see for yourself. So, and here we have a lot of really nice options. So you can have a laser pointer. You can also, it's really nice when you're practicing, or probably just want to record it, explain, talk about what you want in a presentation. And that's great for practice and also for sharing presentation on YouTube, on social media. You also have here pen. So when you start actually recording, if you click here, and also before you click, you can also here you mute your mic, but from here you can change your microphone and your camera. Maybe you have a separate camera, which is not a bad idea. Like if you're utilizing usually use the webcam from your laptop, but the quality is not good, so you can change the camera to a separate camera. That's great. And while you're recording, all these lines will actually show you as an animation, so which is really nice when you're highlighting something. And now next slide, again, you can highlight, you can explain, you can draw something and just draw some explanation, change the color, of course. And here you can also select show background or blur the background for your webcam. As you can see, that's the webcam actually, but because as I said, the camera is hidden, that's why it's showing black. Now you also hear teleprompter present view. You can change the presentation view to slide view. So if you don't need teleprompter, you can hide that. It's very easy. And if you want to record, you can start recording from here, click on that button, or you can also press on your keyboard R. All right. So now after you record your presentation, then all you have to do is just to click on export, and you can export this with great resolution. You can also customize your resolution and even use 4K, which is really nice, and just click on create video, and that's pretty much what you have to do. And this is, as I said, is really important to record your presentation, because that's good for practice, for sharing your presentation with other people. And also, while before you're doing your presentation, record your presentation, make sure you actually learn to really create a really nice and visual appealing presentation, because now obviously it's really important to create a presentation that's visually appealing. But on top of that, I believe that the way you present your presentation also can really affect the feedback, how the viewers receive your presentation. This can really affect, as I said, the way your viewers perceive your presentation. So as I said, important, record your presentation, share your presentation with your team. And if you want, when you want to save your presentation, what you have to do is here to name your love pasta presentation. Here, write the name of that file, save the resolution, customize, export from there, and then you can click on browse and decide where you would like to save this presentation. Also, Mp4 video or Windows Media Export. And also from here in customize, you also have here other options, as I said before, which is great. You also can create an animated GIF, or create hand outs, or change the file type, which I think is important if you maybe want to share the file in you need maybe a different format. This can help as well. You also, if you have so many other presentation, so many other save type or files format. So that's pretty nice. And then you can just export it, which is going to take some time. Now it depends on your computer or how many slides you have, and animations and details in your slides, and transitions, and just more settings may be added. And absolutely, that's going to take more time if you have more settings and more animations and more transitions in your presentation. So yeah, make sure you click on export file, export video, and that's what you have to do. And remember to share your video then. That's very important. Share your video on social media. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have additional questions, leave your questions down below. And also, for those that asked me in other videos how to record from here, you also can record audio from current slide from the beginning. If you click on audio here, you can record audio and set it to autoplay. You can record your audio using your microphone. You can also record screen recording. That's really nice. You can also screen record your screen. Once you click here, you can record your screen and then save the screen in a slide. So that's really nice. So I really hope you found this video helpful and you learned something, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.